Hello, what is up everybody, RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video, and in today's video we will be checking out the Tarmacworks new Global 64 scale model. This is the Saab 900 Turbo, and this is yet a new casting, or also known as new tooling from what Tarmac says. This is a new tooling for 2025. Basically it is a new car, new release for this year, and it's apart from the Global 64 line, which is very nice. And I really do like the box right here that it comes with. Basically you have like sort of like a winter-ish background, which is nice, and you have the car right here as well, the same 900 Turbo Saab. Basically you do have the side of the car and also the back right there. So it's the first color, first release, basically in metallic black right here. So it says Global 64 right there. Over here it says Tarmacworks, key logo, and yeah, pretty much the same I showed you. Tarmacworks, Tarmac for good at the back right here. Moving towards the bottom of the box, Tarmacworks, small size big heart, and then you have your Tarmacworks socials right there. Saab 900 Turbo black, made in China. There's your barcode right there. So yeah, I guess without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at our Saab 900 Turbo. So in the Instagram live, Mr. Lix Kwong, which is the founder of Tarmacworks, basically he said that in this latest release, basically he included two brand new castings for that month, basically I think February. One would be this, the Saab 900 Turbo, which is basically a new casting for 2025, and first color would be in this black right here. The other casting, which was one of his favorite as well, I'm going to show you here before I review it, the Lexus LS400 UCF10, also a new car for the monthly release. So here we have the Saab 900 Turbo colored in metallic black. Very nice color right here as its first launch. Now this car used to be famous in this color, and yeah, it is a very nice looking one right here. Metallic black all over the place. But yeah, let's put it on our turntable and let's see the details of our Saab 900 Turbo. Many people do like this car. There are some fans from across the world that really do like the fact that this Saab is now already in 1/64 scale. And of course Tarmacworks has produced one for those collectors who really want them, or they even actually still have and maintain the real car, which is actually quite nice actually. So this car was produced from 1978 to 1998, so roughly around 20 years or so. So this car also comes in a lot of different colors and variants. What I mean by variants is, this is the hard top. There is a version where it is the soft top, which is basically a foldable folding roof, which is very nice. And of course Tarmacworks is also gonna release a soft top version as well somewhere in the future, maybe, if I'm not mistaken. One is colored in yellow and another one would be colored in white, if I'm not mistaken. So this Saab has its own unique design. The front is basically more to like an old classic sort of, I would say the front of the car represents more to a classic old Volvo-ish sort of car front part of the car. And then over on the back it has a bit of some hint of the Volkswagen Golf Mark 1. And yeah, back is pretty much interesting of a shape. So yeah, it came from flat towards the bottom of the car, which is interesting. Very slanted angle design, which is over at the back, which is nice. That's where the rear window is located, the side windows, and of course the front window, the windshield as well. So really like the metallic black on this one. Is very nice color, you know. And if it's the soft top version, basically you are able to see more of the interior, but this one of course you don't, unless if you basically have free time and maybe you want to go through the interior of the car by unscrewing the base, then maybe you can try if you want. And yeah, let's go ahead and take a close look at our Saab 900 Turbo. This car also had 2-door version and also a 4-door version, which is very nice. So we'll start off from with the car right here. From the side, we see some 3-spoke rims, which are really classic looking rims right here. Color in sort of like a dark gray with thick rubber tires right there. The bottom quarter of the car is basically colored in this sort of gray, if I would say. It's also metal, by the way. It's sort of like a matte gray, matte gunmetal gray at the bottom right here, bottom half. And then over on the top half would be in the fully metallic black sort of paint job, which is nice. With the gas cap over on the side right there. You do have the side windows, and of course the front door right there, which is nice. Blinker details as well. You do have the side view side mirror right there, which is nice. And moving towards the front of the car right here, you do have the lens transparent headlights right here with the side blinker details right there. Front grille, and then you have the Saab logo. The license plate does mention Saab 900, which is very nice. You do have the front bumper sticking out right here again as well. And of course, the bottom bumper, which is in gray, which is interesting. Yeah, the hood. Yeah, I love the design on the hood as well. The shape and all, which is nice. So it's supposed to be a sunroof, I believe, here, which is interesting. Fully blacked out roof, nothing much is a difference. Interior, I forgot to mention. Regular windshield tint, blacked out interior with, not fully black, but there are some hints of a bright gray inside the interior as well. Is it right hand drive or left hand drive? Can't really tell. Okay, so it's left hand drive. So yeah, very nice. Love to see that. And over on this side, it is pretty much the same thing. Nothing much has changed. And then you do have the massive rear window right here at the back. Exclusive small little ducktail right here at the back as well, I think. Very nice. Does have the rear lights of the car right here. Saab 900 Turbo. What does it even say? This is 900 Turbo and also Saab, which is interesting. At the bottom right and left of the rear headlights right there. And then you do have, of course, the rear bumper, which is massive, and of course it does say that the Saab 900 is still pretty much the same license plate front and back. The rear bumper here as well in gray, and single exhaust over on the left side right there, which is nice. So the base is metal, the body is also metal, which makes it a bit more heavier. Let's see here. So it says Tarmacworks 164 Saab 900 Turbo and made in China. Overall, very nice one right here. it on our turntable. So yeah, I really want to know what you think about the Saab 900 Turbo in the comments. I believe many of you people do know this car very well, and also maybe some of you back in the day you did own this car or is still owning the car and maintained properly till this day. And yeah, basically you can go ahead and try it out, I guess. Maybe if you want to get a diecast form, yeah, you have to wait for Tarmacworks, or just buy them as they are currently available. Of course, the first color would be black. The other colors, as far as I know, there will be a sort of like a tomato red sort of color over for the closed roof Saab in red. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, that does come with Tarmac cards, so I'm gonna be hyped for that. And also for that this car's overall shape and all, it's very nice, and maybe not many of you are a fan of it, but still it is quite a nice car to have in the collection anyways, from the 80s and 90s era, which is very nice. But yeah, there you go, that's my review of the Saab 900 Turbo, and that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Some of the videos, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.